Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about focal length of the lens depends on surrounding medium. Children, what is the aim of this activity? Focal length of the lens depends upon the surrounding medium. Our focal length of convex lens increased when it is kept in water. When it is kept in water. In this activity, required materials. Uh, what is this? This is the convex lens. Uh, Next, this is the stone. This is the cylindrical vessel. Uh, Water and water. So this is the holder, circular lens holder. Focal length in air. అయితే ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ని మనం తెలుసుకోవాలంటే యూవీలను మెజర్ చేసినట్లయితే మనకు ఫోకల్ లెంత్ అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. So now we can see the stone through the lens. So we can see the image of the stone. So we will measure the distance between stone and lens. Suppose the focal length of the lens is um, 20 centimeters. Take a convex lens whose focal length is known. And focal length is 20 centimeters. So take a cylindrical vessel such as glass tumbler or beaker whose height must be nearly 4 times of the focal length of the lens. So focal length is 20 centimeters. So this height is uh, 80 centimeters. So did you understand, children? Now pour the water into the vessel up to the height such that the height of the water level from the top of the stone is greater than the focal length of the lens. So keep a black stone inside the vessel. Now dip the lens horizontally using a circular lens holder. Set the distance between the stone and lens that is equal to or less than the focal length of the lens. Can you see the image? Now look at the stone through the lens. We can see the image of the stone. If the distance between the lens and stone is less than the focal length of the lens, we cannot see the image. We cannot see the image, stone image. Now increase the distance between the lens and stone. So we can see the image. Uh, so until you cannot see the image of the stone when increased. Now we can see the clear image. So measure the distance. The distance between the stone and lens. Hold the lens so that the distance from the surface of the stone to the lens is greater than the focal length of the lens. You all We had already know the distance from the surface of the stone to the lens is greater than the uh, focal length of the lens. So observe the stone through the lens. The lens can see the stone. Children, what do you conclude from this activity? Does the focal length of the lens depend on surrounding medium? So you have dipped the lens to a certain height, which is greater than the focal length of the lens in air. But you can see the image. This shows that the focal length of lens has increased in water. So what we conclude? We conclude that the focal length of lens depends upon the surrounding medium in which it is kept. So what we conclude? We have dipped the lens to a certain height which is greater than the focal length of the lens in air. This shows that the focal length of the lens increased in water. So finally, when dipped in water, the focal length of the lens is increased. This activity shows that the focal length of the lens depend upon the surrounding medium. Children, did you understand?